Welcome to 151 West 86th Street, one of the two sister buildings comprising one cooperative. This co-op is perfectly situated in the heart of the Upper West Side, a block and a half from Central Park and right between two subway lines, along with the crosstown bus just down the block. Hi, I'm Andrew Phillips at Brown Harris Stevens. Today we're at 151 West 86th Street, apartment 4C. Come join us.
Hey there, come on in and take a look at this huge entry foyer. Can you just imagine it furnished?
Don't you just love this living room facing south to this beautiful tree-lined street? Can you just imagine it furnished?
Hey Andrew, take a look at this oversized formal dining room. I can just imagine next year's holiday gatherings here. And a dedicated windowed home office.
No need to imagine anything here. This kitchen's all renovated. Poke and pole cabinetry, granite counters, stainless high-end appliances. It's done for you.
No worries with guests. Look at this. A Murphy bed? Perfect. Andrew must be in the main bedroom down the hallway.
Here I am in the main south-facing bedroom. You know where this is headed. Can you picture it now? No need to imagine anything here. It's all renovated for you.
Hey Andrew, take a look at this bedroom. Can you just imagine it? And the ensuite bathroom is completely renovated. Throughout this lovely 7-room home, you will find thoughtful touches including high ceilings, parquet and herringbone hardwood floors, original door hardware, and hinges, as well as cove ceilings, custom radiator covers, French doors, and completely outfitted closets.
We're currently on the roof deck of 151 West 86th Street. It's a beautiful way to say goodbye for today. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia, and we're from Brown Harris Stevens.